Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Yvonne Moema, and today we'll be doing the micro twist using Brazilian wool. So you first begin by curling the Brazilian wool, and I kind of lost my footage on how I curl the hair, so I used the normal braids here because I feel it's actually essential for me to show you how I ended up curling the hair. And this is how I did it. I was twisting while rolling it. And at some point, you're going to be finding that the hair is going to be twisting itself around the barbecue skewers. That's the stick that I'm using. You can actually even use the broomsticks and anything that you find that is actually thin and straight enough to actually hold up the hair. Once again, thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I highly recommend you do so. And along the way, if you find this video helpful and you like it, please express it by hitting that like button. Keep watching to get the whole detail about this video. Next, we're going to be dipping them into hot water, and I actually added conditioner, which makes it easier for you to unravel when the hair is completely dry. To save on time, and given the fact that my scalp was sensitive, I decided to do this method where I was just doing the cornrows and crocheting the hair and twisting after. And it took me 3 hours to 4 hours to actually finish this hairstyle. And another thing I love about this method is the fact that you can make it as bulky as you want. If you want too much micro twist on your hair, you can do it the way you want it, and it's gonna be bulky. It doesn't matter if you don't have lots of hair, you're just gonna be doing the cornrows and you're gonna be twisting at every cornrows, and trust me, you're gonna be having that bulky look that I feel like everyone wants to have while doing the micro twist. So I highly recommend you envision like this hairstyle and this method. Small talk about the wool: make sure it's completely dry before you begin twisting, because let me tell you, Brazilian wool is actually so hard to work with when you're using it while wet. You know, it's wool, so it's kind of heavy and it's very irritating. And also when it dries up, you're gonna be having the smell and the stench, and I don't feel like it's gonna be lasting you for a long time. So to be on the safe side, ensure that it's completely dry, and also it elevates the curls when it's dry. And so the next step, I'm going to be showing you on how do my twisting. And before I actually begin the hairstyle, I was doing it clockwise and anti-clockwise and seeing which way works and how I was curling. I feel like it also depends on how you curled your Brazilian wool. I don't know, but I feel somehow, because this time I was doing the anti-clockwise and the other time I was doing the clockwise method, or if I remember. To make the micro twist look natural and not seem like it was crocheted, I did the real twisting with my hair at the front, and I was wrapping the hair first and then twisting normally. Didn't do too much at the end because I wanted that curls to be there. I was going for a human kinky twist, the look that it gives, and that's why I wasn't wrapping or tying a knot at the end. I really wanted the curls to be there, and no, the twist didn't unravel. That's something I love about the Brazilian wool. The twists were there, however much I didn't tie a knot at the end. I was just twisting. As you can see, I didn't use a wax or anything because I feel like that will tamper with my curls at the end. And this is what it was giving. You can see the bulky look. I was very much impressed, I ain't gonna lie. And you can see it doesn't seem like I did crochet at the back because the front was kind of hiding it, something that I really loved. And so I wanted to actually do curls again to see how it turned out, because I feel like I've done this hairstyle before and I really didn't want to have the same look. So I ended up using flexi rod to give it more of a bob look and enhance the volume. There are a lot of curls and ways you can use flexi rods. If you want more volume, this is how you're going to be curling the hair. You're just going to be wrapping it around, not twisting, not doing anything with it, just wrapping it around. And so when you're dipping them into hot water, which I didn't, I just let it stay overnight and the next day I unravel. But if you're dipping it into hot water, it's going to be more volume, like it's going to be enhancing. It's going to be different compared to me who just went overnight. If you wanted more defined curls, you're going to be curling it. So that means you're going to be rolling while wrapping around the flexi rods. And this is how my micro twist turned out. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I really do hope that you've understood each and every detail about this video. Don't forget to engage in this video by commenting, share and liking this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Anyways, bye.